telekinesis tutorial. Today I'm gonna show you a little neat trick what you can do with telekinesis. We all know gambling, right? And we know dice. And with telekinesis, when you roll a dice, you can manipulate the dice to get the number you want. And it's actually way easier than we think. All we have to do is build the connection to the dice in our hands before we even roll it. And then we just have to remember which dots are on which side, okay? But it's very easy to remember. For example, when the 5 is here, the 2 is on the other side. So it always adds up to 7. When the 4 is here, the 3 is on the other side, okay? So this is how it works. And when you roll the dice, like I said, you build a connection to the cubes, to the dice. Then when you roll it, you just think of the side you want to be up. And then you can manipulate and move it so it falls that way. Okay? So let me show you a little demonstration. So we have the dice here. Okay. So now I want it to land on the 3. And now I want it to land it on the 2. And to prove the point, I'm going to do 2 again. So, this is how you can manipulate dice with telekinesis. But I have to warn you, please don't take advantage of this technique. Don't go to a casino and use telekinesis to make yourself more money. I've done it myself back in the days, and I'm not proud of it. Don't ever use telekinesis for your personal advantage. Promise. Okay. Thank you so much for watching. And please try it at home if you